Hi, this is Rick Miles at Bell Ford, 2401 West Bell Road. Today, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your 2021 Ford F-150. First thing you're going to want to do is release the hood. So your hood release on this truck, it's right over here on the kick panel. You just pull it one time, you'll hear it pop. There's a safety release on this vehicle, so you have to use two hands. And it's got hood shocks to support it, so once it's up, you're good to go. On your battery, you're going to remove the protective cover from the positive terminal end to get it out of the way so you can have access to that terminal. So grab your jumper cables, and what I like to do is on the end I'm not using, I connect the jumper cables like this. That way there's no chance that these two ends are going to touch once you've got the battery connected. Now these cables are black and yellow, some are going to be black and red. I always use the black for the negative. We're going to use yellow for the positive, and we're going to attach the yellow cable first to the positive end on your battery. Once it's on there nice and secure, then you can do your negative terminal end. Get it in there with a good grip. Take the other end of your jumper cables. Remember, we're going to use yellow for the positive and black for the negative. Now you're ready to attach these to your other vehicle, yellow first. For this and other helpful tips, you can follow us on YouTube at Bell Ford, or you can give us a call in the service department at 602-866-1776. My name is Rick Miles. Thank you.